Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy.
Okay, so this is the session for the gender equality. Okay, I'll be using the oil pastel color and the DVD marker or the permanent marker. So let's start the session on women equality. Okay. Just make a line in the center of the paper. So I'm making a line in the center of the paper like this. Okay. And just keep your paper horizontal. Yeah. So now we will draw a man and a woman. Okay. So gender equality. What is gender equality? What do you understand by gender equality? See, gender equality. Okay. So everybody has their own importance. And they have during the day. Okay, whether they are in office or whether they are at home. So I'm just making a face here a little big like this. So we should treat girls and boys equal. Okay. So this world is not going to work alone only with boys and only with girls. So both are important part of the society. But at few places, the boys are given more importance and girls don't get as much as importance and equal opportunity as the boys get. I should make it little back. So there is a little more gap. I'm just erasing it and doing it again. I'm sorry for this. The shape was okay. Only the gap from the line was little more. Okay. So maybe what we can do is we can first make the shoulder and then we can make the neck so that it does not go very far from here. Okay. So now I just made the forehead and the hairs and now the nose and mouth and the chin. Okay. So this is the body of a man. So you can just make it quite long till the bottom like this. Okay. So, and now the body of the woman. So which is going like this and the body here and we'll start from the top and this is the hairs bun and the neck and now the nose and the lips and the chin. Okay, so this is the what happened to the camera, why the camera quality is so poor. Ma'am, darker please. Okay, so I am zooming in so that you guys can see it clearly. So now I think it is okay. So I will do it with the sketch pen so that everybody can see. Okay. Okay, so everybody is saying it is very light and it's not visible. So I'm just doing it with the sketch pen again so that everybody can just see it. Okay. So this is the man. So he's just standing and leaning on the wall. And this is the hairs like this. Okay. So this is the body of the girl. Hairs, nose, lips, chin. See, even the nose hairs and lips, chin are not coming properly. It's absolutely fine because from the hairstyle also we can identify that this is a girl. And yeah, the body is slim also. So from the shoulder, making the body like this. Okay. So you can just fill in the color. So you can use black poster color or sketch pen or permanent marker. I'm just using the marker to fill it up. And then we will move on to the coloring with the oil pastel. So just fill it up. just erasing the pencil mark. The drawing was very easy, so it was not tough. Just made a line in the center of the paper, and boy's head again, please. Okay. So how to draw the head of a boy? So you have to first see, this is the line. So from here you have made the shoulder and the back. So this is the neck, and from here it will go round and it will go up. Then the hairs, and then forehead, nose, lips, and the chin. Like this you have to draw. Okay. Okay. So see, art is all about observation. So how you make the side faces? This is a side face. So when you look at from the side face, only one eye is visible, nose is visible, and one ear is visible. So you can stand in front of the mirror and see how the side face looks. So you can improve your observation by looking at the photographs or the pictures which you click, and just observe how the side face looks. Okay. Girl's head again, please. Same thing, dear. The girl's head also the same thing, only the bun has been added extra. So how will you make the girl's head? Girl's head is, you start from this, make the shoulder and the neck. So there is no space actually, I'll draw here. Okay, so this is the center line. So this is the body and this is the neck. So just make a, so this is the forehead, nose, lips, and the chin. Okay, from here just make the bun and the back part like this. Yes, this video will be saved. You can see it after the class as well. Okay, so I've shown you how to make the girl head. Just start from here, make the forehead, nose, and lips, chin, and join with the neck, and then the back part. So it's very easy. So if you have poster color, you can just fill in the black poster color. You are done. Okay, I am also almost done. So let's move on to the oil pastel coloring. Just give me a minute. So you guys are super fast, huh? So both of them are leaning against the wall, the girl and the boy. So the woman should get equal rights in all the places, for the education, for the job opportunities. That's why this Women Equality Day is celebrated. It was on 26th August. Okay, so I'm done with the coloring in the body. So now let me take out the oil pastel color. So we need, you can take multiple shades of, I think the line between in the center was required to differentiate between the blue and the pink color. Okay, so So you can take multiple shades of blue. So I'm using light blue and dark blue, 2 shades. And for the pink, I'm using, you can use red also instead of pink. Red, orange is also okay. So you can use dark pink and light pink. Or you can use any shade of purple also. That will also work. Okay, so I'm using these 2 shades. I think this will be too dark. So let me see. So I'll be using these 2 shades, okay, for pink, and these 2 shades for blue. Yes, you can use normal crayons, absolutely fine. Pencil color also okay, anything is fine. Okay, so you can use any medium. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to use one particular medium. So same painting, same art we can make in different mediums, and every medium has its own charm. So I will just use the dark color at the bottom. So I'll make half of it as dark, and on the top I'm going to use light pink. Okay, and here similarly I'm going to use dark blue, and on the top I will be using light blue like this. Okay, so let's start. Yes, you can use purple instead of pink. Anything is fine. I don't know why people associate pink color with the girls and blue color with the boys. Because I'm a girl and still I like blue color, and many of you I feel will be liking the blue color. So it is not like blue is boys and pink is girls. Isn't it? Don't you think so? Yes, you can use watercolor also, dear. So just fill it in. Don't leave the white spaces. Keep the directions simple. Again, what again? Say again. Yes, I will send the video. So what do you want me to say again? I'm saying you can use any color of your choice or any medium. So pencil color, watercolor, poster color, anything is fine, because we are not doing too much of blending over here. We are just using the normal coloring. So sketch pen is also okay. Crayons is also okay. So don't leave any white spaces in the middle. Just try to do the neat work. Yes, you can use wax crayons. How to draw the girl? I think you joined late, Kriti. So I'll just complete this coloring and I'll tell you how to draw the girl. It's very easy. Just start from the head and make the body. See, class started at 2:30, so one class is over. This is the second class going on, and people have joined late. I don't know. You don't have dark pink, so you can use light pink. So you can use purple also. Okay, so anything is fine. You can do the color of your choice. No issues. Yes, Vaibhav. So now you can just continue your drawing. Okay. So whatever it is, just start with drawing and coloring. Let's see after the session. Okay. What is the issue? Take out the extra color. So I'm showing you how to draw the girl again. Please watch carefully. So I just took a paper, I made a line in the center, and I made the boy from the shoulder, and this is the neck from the back. I made the hair like this, then the forehead, nose and lips, and the chin. So this is the side face. Okay. So this is how I have drawn the boy. Okay. So similarly for the girl, I made the back of the shoulder and the neck, and from here I made the forehead and nose and lips and chin, and from here I just made a bun and I just joined it from the back of the shoulders. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. So let's move on. So now I will be doing the light shade. So you can just overlap the boundaries and you can blend it at the end. So I'm just going to quickly fill it up. try not to leave the white patches. What is the process after that? You are already done. Yes, dear, you guys are very quick. So let me just complete it. I'll show you the process. Just give me a minute, 5 minutes. Okay. So let me just try to. So you have to do the neat work. Don't spoil your work in a hurry. Try to do the neat work. Okay. So after this, just keep your poster color and your brush ready. White poster color or acrylic color and the brush. So we are going to make a weighing scale to show the equality. Just overlap the light and dark color at the boundaries. Okay, so let's do the blending at the boundaries. So just blend the color. Since we are using the single color, so it is not necessary to use the blending, but I do it because it gives a smooth look. Okay. So this pink color was, quality of the pink color was not very good. So it is looking little patchy. So you can just apply little more here. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we will just take white poster color or acrylic color, whatever is available with you, and then we are going to make a weighing scale. Yeah, we will make small dots also. So I'm taking this white acrylic color. You can take acrylic color as well as poster color. Just take very little in the brush, and so just in the half of it, make a small line like this. Okay. So, and make a small slanting line like this. Okay. And then just make a triangle kind of thing. So this is the weighing scale. Similarly, on the other side, make a triangle. So they both should be equal. Okay. So they should not be up and down. They should be equal because we are showing the equality. For the girl and boy, I have used permanent marker. You can use black sketch pen or any other color. So just make a big circle like this and make a plus sign like this. Okay. So for the boy also, just make a circle. Yes, black pencil color will also work. Okay. So I'm just making it dark by making a double line. Yeah. So design on the boy's circle is arrow. So plus for the girl and arrow for the boy. So this is the equal weighing scale on both the sides. Okay, done, ma'am. Very good. So you can write on the top gender equality. Okay. So just from the back of your brush, take the color and make the dots and fill up the space. So you can just cut a paper and with the colorful sketch pen, you can write gender equality on that paper and you can stick on the top. So just take a rectangular piece of paper and cut it and paste it on the top with the slogan. So if you want to write any slogan, you can write it. So you can make the dots like this. So on the girl side as well, just make the dots with the back of the brush. So for making the thin dots, you can use thin brush. So there is a fancy dress and dance competition going on and speech competition. Please give your entry. Only 3 days are left. Okay. Don't miss the chance. E-certificate will be given to everybody and winner will get a cash prize. So do participate as much as possible. See, even if you are not the winner, even if you are not getting the prize or the first prize, but you should participate. So that should be the spirit of the competition. Okay. Yeah. So you should participate in as much as competition, and you should see what kind of people are applying for it and what are the entries and who are the winners, so that next time you're well prepared with your best entry. So I suggest everybody to participate in the competition. So you should give your entries. It's not like you will not win and you will not give your entries. It's not like that. Okay. So you should participate as much as possible. When you are giving your entry, at least you are preparing for something that is also a learning. So you are learning in the process.
Bye everyone. Hope you had a wonderful session.